Welcome to the Starlight Spiritualist School. Here you will find that we have designed the school really to keep the traditional methods of spiritualism alive without the religious aspect attached to it. For centuries or thousands of years, since man really began, man has always communed with spirit, with the spiritual world, with the other dimensions. So it's not something new, you see. So spiritualism is one of the most ancient and oldest practices known to man. But at the school, you will find traditional teachings combined with new and up-to-date methods of teaching and learning. And it's providing the perfect step-by-step learning experience for you, both in person and online. Now, when I design a course, I work with the guidance of the Spirit to ask what is it that students need at this time? How is the best way for them to learn, for you to learn? So all the courses that you will find at the school are all accredited and certified. So that means that you will receive a certificate upon completion of your course. And some of them are done online and you can do them in the comfort of your own home. With my guidance as well, where you'll receive pre-recorded videos, meditations, access to my email. So if you've got questions or things that are coming up for you during your course, I'm there to answer your questions and help to guide you through any difficulties or challenges that may present themselves. And I feel I wanted to reach out to everybody here and to make this affordable as well for everybody. So even if you look at a course and you think, actually, I'd like to do that, but I don't have the full amount, I do have payment plans, affordable payment plans for you. So you could always just contact me and speak to me about that. Also, I feel it's very important that when you enter the school, that you do so at a level that is right for you. So perhaps if you're looking at some of the courses and you're a little bit unsure about whether or not they're suitable for you, please contact me directly through the website and let me know a little bit about your background, what you've done so far with your spiritual development, and then I can try to guide you in the right way so that you're guided towards the course that is right for you at this time in your development. And that the school is really reaching out for not just students who have already reached a certain level in their development, it's also there for complete beginners. And with complete beginners, we start with the mindfulness aspect and look at the learning how to focus the mind. And then there's a step-by-step program which can take you through very slowly and beautifully in your own time, so that you can take time to integrate what you're learning, to practice what you're being shown, and to really make it a part of you before you go on to your next course. So please do feel free to contact me if you wish, if you have any questions or anything that you'd like help or guidance with.